क्या कभी किसी ने आपकी इंसल्ट की? किस किस की इंसल्ट हुई है? हाँ जी, सबकी? किसने बोला? उठो उठो उठो। मंडे से पहले वोकैबुलरी चेंज करनी है। बोलो मेरी हुई है ना? हाँ हाँ जी। एनीवन वांट्स टू शेयर इन वन लाइन कैसे उन्होंने आपकी इंसल्ट की? What did that other person have to do to insult you? They said something which insulted you. What was the word? Oh, your manager told you. आए तो नहीं हुए आज यहाँ पे? ठीक है. So your manager said you're very aggressive. अच्छा, are you aggressive? No. Why did he say you're very aggressive? So he said you're aggressive. So he insulted you. You're not accepting. So then when did he insult you? Your dress is very black in color. Your dress is black in color.
I'm not accepted.
I said it in front of 1,000 people. Your dress is black in color.
Because it's a visible, right? So I'm not accepted.
Okay, you're black.
The way people talk without respect, then you feel like hurting in your heart. Means it is your mind, how you
So now
accepting.
I am going to talk to you without respect. What does that reflect? Who is the one who is lacking in respect?
The person who is speaking.
The one who's speaking or the one who I'm speaking about? Who is lacking in respect?
The person who is speaking.
So if I am lacking in respect, which means I'm not happy, peaceful inside, so how do you expect me to be very nice and respectful and peaceful in my words? So how am I going to speak? So you can be very sincere, very hardworking, you could have done the best at your work, and I will come and criticize and walk away. And because I criticize and walk away, you're going to say, they insulted me. Why did I criticize and walk away in spite of her hard work? Why did I do it?
That's your...
That is. So if I am now going to say something to her, who am I insulting? I'm going to react, I'm going to be rude, and I'm going to do it in front of everybody, and I'm going to say something. True or not true doesn't matter, just my way of saying is not right. So who am I disrespecting? Who am I disrespecting? If you are a detached observer of the scene and you look at me sitting here, she's standing there, and I'm being rude to her, and you are a detached observer of the scene, who do you think out of the two of us is lacking in respect? Sure? But there's one mistake that she will make at that time. You all are detached from the scene. So you're very clearly you're able to see that she is fine. Problem to idhar hai. But she's going to make a little mistake because she's going to record over here. She insulted me. She disrespected me. And that too in front of. And now because she did it in front of everybody, now everyone disrespects me. But the truth is you all respect her. You have different thoughts for me. People's behavior towards me has nothing to do with me. What will people radiate to you? What can I radiate to you from here? What can I radiate to you from here? What I have. So when people radiate criticism, anger, abusive language, disrespect, please have a lot of mercy for them. वो बहुत ज़्यादा बीमार है इस time. He's not wrong, undo. He's not wrong. He's a little in pain right now.
Yeah.
Don't call people wrong. They are not wrong. They are in pain. It's like somebody who's not well. We don't call them wrong.
So, ma'am,
When
that right thinking and that awakening we are understanding, you are understanding, and through your program, whole world is understanding. But this is not reality in the office. Many people do not aware about that
we
awakening,
can't do
and if
anything.
they insult,
No. 1 minute. They don't insult.
no, that I'm understanding that they are not insulting, but the rest of accept me. All the office is understanding that my boss is insulting me. So what about them?
Acha, what about the other people?
Yeah,
What
that's why
will
I'm
they
asking, ma'am.
think? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
we'll see right now. Put down the mic. Huh. Now, next scenario. Very interesting. My boss said something to me. I have just come back from Gyan Sarovar, so I am not getting upset. That's what he said. He said, I have understood he is unwell, so never mind. But what about everybody else in my office? Because they are going to create a thought, he insulted me. Right? Eh? I am saying she's wearing black. I'm not telling lies. I can see her wearing black. I can really see her wearing black. And I'm going to say it very confidently in front of 500 people. She is wearing black. Why am I able to see her wearing black? Because of my filter of some sanskar, which makes me see her black. That filter could be fear, that filter could be insecurity, that filter could be anger, that filter could be jealousy, that filter could be a bad mood today early in the morning. It could be any filter. I have not opened my file of purity to be able to see her white. So, through that filter, I say it very confidently in front of 500 people, she is wearing black. Which color are you going to see? I am saying in front of the entire team in the office, she is wearing black. Which color are you going to see? Depends on the. And suppose I say in front of the entire office, she is wearing white. Then which color are you going to see? Depends on the. Important, please underline this and record this for you over here forever. It depends on the observer's filter, which means it depends on your sanskar. लोग हमारे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे डिपेंड्स ऑन देयर संस्कार. डू यू थिंक पीपल ऑलवेज थिंक वेरी नाइसली अबाउट यू व्हेन यू आर अप्रिशिएटेड बाय योर बॉस? अच्छा, तब भी अच्छा नहीं सोचते, और जब डांटते हैं तब भी अच्छा नहीं सोचते. सो इन बोथ केसेस नाउ व्हाट डू वी डू? Simple thing is, don't worry about what people think about you. Because each one is going to see you through. ये सारी बातें हैं ना, वो मेरे बारे में क्या बोलते हैं, वो मेरे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, फिर सब लोग जो सुन रहे हैं वो मेरे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. तो सबके सोचने का ध्यान रखते हैं, सिर्फ मैं क्या सोचता हूँ वो सारा उसमें क्या हो जाता है. People will see us through the filter of their sanskar. If I am his boss and I'm going to say in front of the entire team, you're very hardworking, you've done a great job, congratulations. You think everybody is happy after hearing that? Really? You think so? No. Now again, it depends on their sanskar. If someone has opened their 5th folder, they're going to say, congratulations. Congratulations from within, with blessings and good wishes. Somebody will create a thought inside, मतलब ये कल शाम को कॉफी पी रहा था ना इनके साथ, पक्का कोई बात हुई है इनकी आपस में, क्या किया इसने जिसके लिए इसको इतनी अप्रिसिएशन मिल रही है. इससे ज्यादा काम तो सारा दिन हम करते हैं, लेकिन आपके पास आके बोलेंगे कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. हाँ, पीपल नो हाउ टू डू इट. We are not going to take this fake appreciation and feel good about ourselves. Our self-esteem cannot be dependent on such. आप मेरे लिए अच्छा सोचें ना सोचें, that is your choice. I only need one person to think nice about me.